Hello everybody and welcome to another FTx Commerce training video. In this FTx Commerce training video, I'll be showing you how to set up gift cards in FTx Commerce in the Control Center. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, FTx POS. And while you're at it, check out the FTx Academy for more helpful training videos like this one. Gift cards are a simple and flexible way to shop or share with friends and family. With FTx Commerce, customers can choose between digital and physical gift cards. Physical gift cards can be picked up at the fulfillment location the customer has selected. After logging into the Control Center, click Point of Sale, FTx Commerce, and from the drop-down, click on Settings, and then Gift Cards. Now let's toggle the FTx Commerce gift card to Yes, and we'll choose the Gift Card Open Department. There are two types of gift cards that can be sold on the FTx Commerce site: a preset gift card and a custom amount gift card. First, let's add a preset gift card. Start by clicking Add Gift Card and enter in the amount. Next, we'll enable the customer gift card amounts. From here, we can add in a minimum and a maximum for the custom gift card. And lastly, we can toggle on if we want to allow customers to return gift cards. If enabled, customers can return inactive gift cards to the store. To qualify for a return, digital gift cards must be inactive and physical gift cards must have no prior transactions. If enabled, store employees can handle these returns from the fulfillment side of FTx Commerce. To recap, FTx Commerce supports both digital and physical gift cards, offers customizable preset or flexible custom amounts, and even supports gift card returns under certain conditions. With these tools, you're giving your customers more ways to shop and share while making the experience as smooth as possible. That wraps up how to set up gift cards for FTx Commerce. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our FTx POS YouTube channel and visit FTx Academy for even more training videos like this one. We'll see you on the next video.